that is.
You've got to remember what you said, you get my bollocks in the pictures.
Hey!
I don't work for none of the breweries, honestly.
No, they were a Christmas present.
We ought to, with a name like beer.
Took it at them. Getting stung here.
Well, it came out of a competition called the Longest Nettle Night that we have here in July, and basically one of the contestants, Alex Williams, produced a 15 feet 6 long stinging nettle, threw it down into the measuring arena and said, if anybody beats that, I'll eat it. Lo and behold, a nettle came along 16 feet long. Though to this day Alex disputes the measurement, good as his word, he actually sat down and consumed the leaves from the offending nettle. Thus, stinging nettle eating was born at the Bottle Inn. Definitely, definitely. I've issued challenges to Germans, the Japanese. They think there's this Foo Fighters thing, speed eating a big bowl of rice. Pah, it's nothing, is it? You know, sit here and eat nettles for an hour. See how they get on then.
They must take all of the leaves off, is that right?
Yes, the challenge is to leave 2 foot long, clean stems of nettle to consume all the leaves and any offending bits and pieces that may be attached to them, of course.
Now, you're not taste like raw.
Well, raw, basically, they're sort of like almost like a spinachy taste. There's a little bit of a sting with them, but then all of the best foods are piquant. Just get them in, eat them, absolutely beautiful.
Snails are found on them, caterpillars, so there might be a bit of additional protein as well.
Absolutely, well, there's no point in having it. You never have one ingredient for a meal, you've got to have 3 ingredients at least. And there's 40 species of insects that live on them, so it's a diverse meal for everyone tonight.
Yeah, it's over a timed hour, and yes, I think you do have to pace yourself, yeah, and basically watch out that you don't get stung. The taste of nettles, it's not that far off spinach. That's the best way to describe it, and I quite like spinach, so I'm in for an added advantage immediately, I guess.
And anything like that?
Oh, quite definitely, yes. We relish that because it sort of helps to take away from the taste of the nettle. Green fly, a particular favourite.
Literally stings around the face, around the mouth. They don't get the nettle past the lips before they touch the saliva. Inside the mouth they don't sting, but outside they do.
He normally eats 80 feet for lunch. It's for speed.
Right, in that case then it's 3, 2, 1, go! You're off! Oh, I'm trying to sign that straight in here. Look at that technique. We'll have a judges decision here coming up on Hasmar. He's plucked. He's not. Yes, yes. Well, perhaps we'll have
Old people are now picture better in a minute.
And our nettle expert here, he seems to be having
Yeah. Not heard too much. Not yet.
And we have the ladies here.
Yes, it is. I've already given a warning to join us.
How come nobody's screaming going?
You haven't done that.
I haven't eaten that yet.
Doing all right, Rob?
Yeah. Third, fourth one.
Not very well. Not very well.
Get back to it. I know you celebrities got to stick together, but this is me. No, you're not going to put the
Everybody's going to have to go through their stalks and really clean them up. Simon. He's lost the plot completely. He's lost Rich Billy Reloaded has lost the plot completely. He's trying to stuff the whole table in there.
Shane, is that good enough?
Very good. I didn't realise you were an old friend of three of them in a row.
Are they not? Like that? Who's that? Stick it in your mouth. The judge. Where's the judge? I need some orange. Yeah, okay, water's good.
Oh, I just done now.
I spat mine out under the table.
I'm actually getting the bugs off the leaves, so it's easiest to digest.
Got one more stalk. One more stalk for victory. Come on.
It'll be a help, definitely. It takes the sting away from the help everything. What did your police training got to do with this? Discipline. Stamina.
You're up.
How long do we go,
You're
Shane?
on 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Oh, is that one?
Come on, down in one.
That's better. Go on. You can do it. Come on.
Good bit. I think his stem's cleaner than mine.
Lovely. But these nettles taste horrible.
Keep it open, that's it.
No, nobody's hands going up. It looks like the artist didn't make it today.
I mean, I say to him, I get.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
22.
I don't blame you. Right, well, we got 35 down.
14 on that one. 18, 19, 20.
Feeling now.
Oh, I don't know. I think they were hard to eat this year. They were very hard to eat this year. I think somebody further down the table may have beaten me this year.
What made them more difficult to eat than previous years?
As I described to you earlier on, it's been a very dry season and they don't taste very nice. You know, you can't digest them very well.
They're as dry as bloody toast. They're gritty, they're chewy. They take an awful lot of swallowing. If we'd have had...
Probably hits the
No. And look, no obvious scars.
72 feet.
A gold cup, hooray! Everyone, hooray! It's empty though.